There is a very simple way to directly and immediately recognize your true nature. There is no possible way you or I or any person can say, I am not. Everyone knows I am. This I am is self-evident, ever present in the waking states, in the dream states, and it is not conscious of itself in deep sleep, yet it still is being. There is no consciousness of the awareness I am, yet that I am is still present. That I am beats the heart in deep sleep. It is that I am which observes the dream. And it is that I am that observes sleep and reports in the waking state, oh, I slept well, or, I didn't sleep so well. That I am is the only God there is. I am that I am. All there is I am, universal, ever present, as consciousness, the wakefulness of knowing I am prior to the concept I am. So the simple recognition that this I am is the conscious presence, that presence which is inescapable, which is full on in the waking state and full on in the dream state, that consciousness of being, which is inescapable, is the closest to your true eternal nature that can be recognized. Consciousness is the recognition I am before the mind or language translates that I amness into the conceptual knowing. Prior to knowing, the I am is. It arises as knowing. So to simply stay put with I am and to refuse any identification that might follow I am, such as I am a man, I am a woman, I am human. Any identity which follows I am is a pollution of the pure consciousness of I am, the seed consciousness, the tiny, vast essence that I am is the only reality that you can absolutely count on. Everything that follows I am simply is not true. So to stay with I am only is what we're pointing to here. To refuse any identity, refuse any thought that follows I am, such as I am enlightened or I am not enlightened. I am the self, I am Shiva, I am Christ consciousness. All of those are false. What is true? The non-conceptual knowingness that is vast, unbounded, and fully present at all times. Stay with that I am. If you're bothered by thoughts of being an identity, this or that, if you're bothered by problems that exist only in thought, if you're bothered by ideas of problems or something wrong, come back to the I am. Refuse to entertain any thought but I am. Return the mind over and over to I am. Because even though there is no one that can do this, even though there is no entity to return to I am, in the appearance of things there seems to be such an entity until it's completely deconstructed.